Good day, everyone. It's David Paul speaking. Welcome to our 8 Vital Tips for Stock Market Trading Success short video course. It's a great pleasure to be here. That's me. That photograph was taken at the New York Stock Exchange a couple of years ago. I've been trading in the stock markets of the world since October 1982, and I have experience in the stock market, the futures market, and in the forex market over a very long time. Over the last 8-9 years now, I've been helping traders improve their performance with VectorVest, and I'm currently the managing director of VectorVest in the United Kingdom. I've done training and work with institutional traders all over the world. So you may be wondering why you're listening to me. Well, you're in the right place, ladies and gentlemen. If you're tired of buying stocks to see them all drop right after you buy them, I can't fix that 100%, but I can certainly show you in this short series how to put the probabilities at your back, and that's what I'm going to do my best to achieve. You're in the right place if you're frustrated because you don't know when to sell. There's nothing can damage your trading progress as much as letting winners turn into losers. And in tip number 4, down the track, we're going to cover that. You're in the right place if the market has in fact knocked the stuffing out of you and you don't have any confidence at all in yourself to make money in the market. And you're in the right place if you're simply not where you want to be. Okay, so let's move pace. Tip number 1 is all about sizing your positions. And my first question for you, ladies and gentlemen, is how much money's in your account? Very few people can answer that honestly. And I meet this all the time. If you don't know how much money's in your account, you can't size your positions correctly. And if you can't size your positions correctly, you are gambling and not trading. I meet this all of the time, especially at the institutional level, where there's a group of traders who are managing an amorphous sum of the bank's money. One month they make a heap of money, the next month they give it all back, and largely that's because of position sizing errors. So you've got a little bit of thinking to do. How much money are you going to capitalize your trading account with? Then you can take that sum of money seriously and grow it over the months and years. So how much money's in your account? As I say, most people haven't got a clue of how much money's in their speculative trading account. So tip number 2, folks, is never to lose any more than 1% of your account on any single trade. Many years ago, there was a wonderful book written called Market Wizards, where a gentleman by the name of Ed Sequoia came out with this wonderful phrase. He says that anybody risking any more than 2% of their account on any single trade is a gunslinger. So to do this very, very simply indeed, divide your capital into 10 pieces and then vow never to lose any more than 10% of each portion. And that will mean, by simple arithmetic, that you actually got a risk of only 1% of your account in any single trade. There are many, many ways of sizing positions, ladies and gentlemen, but if you follow just that, you'll be just fine. And tip number 3 is diversify your trades. Spread your investments across the market with no more than 2 positions out of the 10 that I've suggested from any one sector of the economy. Okay, so tip number 1, tip number 2, tip number 3, all about risk. And remember, in this business, risk comes first, and we are risk takers. Risk for reward. Position sizing will help get rid of you being a failure. And position sizing and diversification will get you to a point where you don't stress about any single trade. Any one trade is no big deal. So you've got some decisions to make based on tip 1, 2, or 3. The most important one is how much money's in your account. Divide that into 10 pieces and vow never to lose any more than 10% of any piece. And then discipline yourself to diversify. No more than 2 out of the 10 portions in any one sector of the economy. And it's my promise to you that if you do that, you won't stress about your trades and you'll become a winner in the stock market.
Thank you for taking the time to watch that presentation, but I know you're eager for more. So if you're looking for region-specific information, check out the UK and AU channels right here. Looking for more great VectorVest content? Click this video right here. If nothing else, folks, click the subscribe link right here.